assume that the file should save it in what? Download. Is that not it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's what's the operating system does. Then how does it serve as interface? If you have a computer and don't want your junior sibling to have access to, you put a password on it and get what? A guest. Okay. So it serves as what? A security. Okay. And we said it interacts with other application software. So all what we are watching here, if you go to all programs, okay, the operating system is what I'm interacting with, and all the programs are installed on what? The operating system. These are the types of operating system that we have. We have Windows 7, Windows, iOS, okay, then Mac. Now, let me ask this question. How do I want to put it in all Android phones. Okay, all Android phones, okay, are smartphones, but not all smartphones are what? Android phones. Two of us. Okay, so in that case, what's an Android?
True. The answer true.
James, why true?
So some of the smartphones they use iOS.
Okay, so what is an Android?
Android.
Android is a
Okay, so Android is an operating system developed by what? Google. Okay, and that's what collapsed what? Nokia. Because when Samsung partnership with Nokia and Google to develop Android, Nokia doesn't want to join the fight. So the partnership with Microsoft. And Microsoft, then their latest operating system was what? Windows 8. And latest form for Nokia is what? Lumia. And Windows 8 was a failure because they didn't provide what? The start button. So people were finding it difficult to use it. And that collapsed. So interface is very, very important. Why do people like Apple product? Because of it has a very good interface. Please, do you have any question? So then we have the memory management. Now, if you look at my computer, my operating system is telling me that my drive C is becoming full. So I should free up the space, isn't it? So it's managing my memory. Okay. If my cache memory too is becoming free, to tell you free some of your virtual memory because the cache memory is becoming full. Then process management. When we go to the task manager, okay, these are the processes. It's telling me each application I'm using, the kind of processes. Application have not even opened. They are at the background, they are working. Then we have the foreground processes. So you've seen the startup programs is also being managed by the operating system. And it can even tell me my CPU usage. So I can see my system performance here. Okay, so my operating system is managing all my work processes for me. These are startup applications. Which some are disabled and some are still active. How many users? Only one, which is what? Dell. Then it does, I've spoken about file management, network management. So it's helped me to see which are the available network do I have what's around. Which one I would prefer. Can I connect land? The operating system will tell me what. Then security, that's what we said, password. Okay. Control over performance, job accounting, error detection. When your disk is failing, the operating system will then coordinate between other software and users. That's why I say provide interface. What are the interface? We have the command line interface, which is the same as the graphic user interface. So when I type 3, I think the last time I show you, okay, when I come here, let's see, the first file I have there is ms-what-ad. If I go to the Dell, the first thing I have there is what? ms-what-ad. The second one is what? .spss. Have you seen what? .spss. Third is 3D. Fourth, contacts. 5, desktop. I should see the same thing over there.
So your screen is not showing.
Oh, are you sure, Mika? I can see that my screen is showing on the Meet, because I can see I've monitoring the at one interface.
It's showing. It's showing.
Yes.
It's showing.
So you should try and climb a small tree to come.
Yeah, we can see.
So this one, the left side is what? Graphical user interface. And the left side is the command line interface, and the right side is what? The graphic user interface, which we refer to as what? GUI. So after desktop, we have 3D, meaning if I go to desktop, I should see what? 3D there. Is that not it? Okay. So that's what the work of what? The operating work system. After 3D, I should see what? 500 grams format extension. So if I go there, I should see 500 gram firewall extension. Okay. So we talk about the memory management. Okay, refer to the primary memory and the main memory. Whatever you are working on your desktop, okay, is the operating system that is what managing it. That's why I said it's our working words area. Then we have the process management. Keep track of processes and status of processes. That's what we shown us as the task bar. Device management. The device management also tells us the number of drivers. If I want to see my device manager, right click and go to a device manager. Tells me if all my drivers are what? Intact. Let me tell you a particular story. There was a time, I think about 4 or 5 years ago, a particular woman came to do sandwich. The husband is very rich. The husband is very what? Rich. So they asked when he came to school, the husband gave him a laptop to use. Then the laptop was giving her a problem. Because the husband has a company, the husband just instructed the IT officer at his company, please, can you get my wife a very good machine? You know, women, they like complaining, so the husband doesn't want him to complain. So please, can you get him a brand new, and doesn't also want to disturb his studies to use. When the machine came, then she called the husband again and told the husband that the brand new machine is giving her what? Problems. So the husband said the wife is what? The nagging what? Like, you complain your machine is worrying you. I bought you a brand new machine. You are also what? Complaining. So I was teaching her, then she said, say, my husband doesn't trust me. My machine was worrying me. I told her, she told our IT guy to buy me a brand new machine. This machine too, then I said, what has it been doing? When she's using it, then the screen will go off for a while. Just a second, then come back again. So you know, lady, she's afraid what the machine will do. Then I told her, can I see the machine? Honestly, when I look at it, the machine is a brand new machine. But when I look on the case, the Lego that was what? Linus level. Then I became suspicious. Then I just went to the device drivers. Okay. When I checked the drivers, some of the drivers wasn't updated. Meaning there's a driver which is not working, which is strange. Okay. So what I concluded was that the technical guy, because it was Linux machine, compared to the Windows machine, the price would be lesser than what compared that type of machine for Windows machine. So for him to get extra money, went and bought a Linux machine, formatted it, okay, as Windows machine, because the woman cannot use words, the Linux machine, and gave it to words. And they show you that the architecture doesn't support what Windows. You get it? So the husband too is not a technical person who will understand all these words, what is going on. So he has concluded that the wife is what? Property. Please, I hope you get it. Okay, which the wife has a genuine case trying to protect the husband money rather that he has been duped somewhere. Okay, so that's why we are learning some of these things. Okay, so the device manager tells me if there is question mark on any of them, okay, then it means that aspect will not be what function. Is it clear? Okay. Yes, please.
Yes, good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
Yeah, sir, my worry is we are now learning computing.
Yes, please.
And some of us, we don't have any technical know-how or any idea about computing. This is our first time of learning computing. But the way you are teaching us, and we are not touching computing as to go as the thing you are saying. Can we also practice it? That is my little bit worried. So when can we get access to those things so that we can also practice?
As we are talking now, where are you?
I'm in a farm place. Eastern region.
You are in a farm, please.
Yes, please.
Okay, and what are you using? What are you using for the lectures?
So I just bought one just 2 days ago. So it's something I don't have any idea about it. I'm just now first thing that I'm now about to learn it. That is why I'm asking this. So that at least if you are going, oh, go here, then I will know, oh, if I go here, I will get this. If I go here, I will get this in that order.
And is it not that what we are doing now?
But I said, your teaching and the way you are going, I cannot follow you that way. I have to do the listening first.
You have to do what?
I have to do the listening first.
Nicholas, if you don't take care, I'll come and beat you.
You are here.
He said you have to do the history first. He said you have to do the. Are you there? Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, it is raining, so the network is not good.
So your network is not good. Okay. Someone is asking a question here. So listen.
Online.
Yes.
You see, last time I had an issue with my Bluetooth.
Okay.
So I tried
to uninstall. Yeah.
Resolving the issue.
Okay.
So I later went to the update to see if I can update and drivers.
Okay.
But after updating the driver and the Bluetooth was working, I still had issues with some of the drivers. And restoring it was very difficult to restore. So in this, is there any other way, or is there a way to be resolving such problems?
Yes, you can do system restore. You don't know how to do it, but you can even use first installation to do restore, so that it take you to previous states. Okay, and the Windows installer who can help you to do system. So this is pure practical. So if you go there, my brother here will also be complaining that we are taking him to an island he doesn't know. So okay, so I'll move slowly.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So that's the device manager I just explained. When I explain the file management, oh, see, what I'm mentioning is what I have. The file management, you realize I took you to the users. Then I show you that we have what? Desktop. Okay. We have download, we have music, we have videos. Is that not it? Are we there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this all known as file management. Keep track of information location, decide who get resource, allocate resource, and deallocate resource. And I also went to the start manager to show you all these processes. Security, provide who should log in and who should not log in. Control by system performance, keep track of time it takes for system to respond to requests. Job accounting, that's error detection, coordination between other software. Okay, so if you open a particular file and you open again, the system will tell you that file is already running. Okay, so it will not allow you. Then what are the various versions of as I told you, we have the Linux operating system, the Android. The Android operating system is the Google operating system is the Android and the Google Chrome. I hope most of you have seen the Google Chrome OS. Oh, the small laptop that only Chrome runs on it. Let me show you.
Yes. Yes.
That's what the Chrome what book. This is how they are. So this is what the Chromebook.
Please, sir, are they not the same laptops?
No.
What's the difference between this one and the laptops?
We are not talking about the machine. We are talking about the operating system. Do you get it?
Yes, sir.
Mami, do you get it?
Please, I'm confused somehow.
What are you using for the class? Okay, how many phones do you have?
I'm having two, but then I'm having laptop, but I'm using the phone for the class.
You have 2 phones and a laptop. Is that not it?
Yes, please.
Okay, what operating system do you have on your laptop?
Please, sir, I'm only assessing the slabs we have for the class.
He's just asking the operating system you are using on your laptop. Your laptop.
Is it the Windows or what, sir? I'm not so much.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
I'm using Windows 10.
You're asking about that one.
11.
Thank you.
Windows 11.
Thank you. Yeah, Shelly is using Windows what? 11.
11,
Okay,
sir.
Shelly. Thank you. Shelly,
Sir.
tell us about your other phones. What phones are you using?
Sir, I have Hana C5.
Okay, and what else?
And iPhone XR.
Thank you.
Hey.
Which operating system is please? It's not, we are not interested in the model. Which operating system is the iPhone using?
Yes, sir.
Is it not iOS?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
The Hana phone, is it an Android OS?
Yes, sir, it's Android.
Thank you. So those are what we are talking about. We are not talking about the brand of the phone, but rather the operating system.
Okay. Yes, sir. Now,
so,
yes, sir.
So your friend will be using Samsung, but he will be using what? Android. Is that not it?
Yes, please.
So we are not talking about the brand, but rather the operating system. Your other colleague will be using a laptop, but he will be using what? Mac operating system. But you are using Windows. Okay. Another person will be using a computer, but he will be using what? He will be using Chrome. Okay. But if we ask you what type of computer you are using, then it may be Chrome but HP. It may be Windows but HP. Is that not it?
Yes, please.
Yes. So we are not talking about the brand of the words laptop, but rather the operating system of words, the laptop.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, please. Thank you.
I want to ask, how will you determine you are using Windows 7, Windows 10, 11 on the this thing you are using, laptop you are using? Since
Okay.
you are learning.
Yes. So when we come, watch here, when I come to the start button, okay, and I right click on it, I go to what? Systems what? I go to the system. Set the system settings. So at the system settings, let me go home. Now, what is my OS? This is OS. What do you see? Microsoft what? Windows what? 11 Pro. Is that not it?
11 Pro. Yes.
Okay. And someone will use, even they say Windows, someone will use Windows 10. Another person will use Windows what? 8. Okay. Then when we come to Apple, we have the Lion, we have what? Leopard, we have the Tigress. Okay. Then when we come to Android, Androids are for phones, so we don't have laptop that uses what? Android.
So, sir, which window run fast? Window 11, Window 10, and others. Which one is the best?
Who can answer this question?
Please, it's 11.
Window 11. That's the current one.
Oh, okay.
It's the latest one.
Because that is the latest version.
Okay. But sir, yesterday I was updating my window. Before I got to realize, now if I on the laptop, it is not running as fast as I want it. What should I do?
Nicholas, why are you laughing?
That's an issue.
We are learning.
We are learning. Yeah. You'll be there.
We have
quiz. We have quiz.
Please, I'm listening.
Okay. So my question is, yesterday I was updating my window. Before I got to realize, my laptop is not running as it is again.
Yeah, maybe your memory is becoming full, so you have to create some.
Oh, okay. The memory there is just now I've started loading things.
Then it's another thing is you don't shut down the machine, so try to shut it down.
Okay.
Because as we told you, the virtual memory, okay, keep track of temporary use application. So when you shut it down, you free the virtual memory. Please, I'm in the class and call me in 15 minutes time. Okay, so we have so these are the various types of Windows. We were having the DOS, Windows 3.1, 95, XP. XP is one of the best Windows companies I've ever had. Very light and speed. Vista was heavy. Windows 7 came, give a lot of problems. 8 troublesome. Then 10 and latest is what? Windows what? 11. Okay. So this is a typical operating system like my machine here. The start button is here. The icons are what? Graphical representation of things we see on the desktop. We have the title bar. Okay. So icon, start menu. This is my start menu. Those are we call the startup programs. Okay. When you click on the start button too, we have what? Frequently used what? Applications. Then start button. Hello. Yeah, hello. Hello. Yes. Yeah, I'll check. Okay. So then we have what we call window. Window is any graphical representation of items we see on the walls, on the desktop. So this means is what? A window. Adobe Reader is what? A window. The desktop itself is what? A window. So any rectangular view you are viewing on the desktop now is known as what? A window. Then the system tray provide access to apps. This is where the system tray is. That give access to some apps. Then utilities. When we talk about utilities, okay, they are like in a normal sense, we fall sick. If you fall sick, you go to the hospital. So when the computer also falls sick, who treats it? No, the utilities. Okay, so the utilities are programmed that enhance the efficiency, manage and enhance the efficiency of what? The computer. So if the computer gets BIOS, it's within that BIOS. Like someone said, my hard disk is becoming full. Meaning I have to get a way to what? Compress what? My file. We have something called Synapse what? Utilities. When I go to my C, then the system, I go to properties. We have what to call tools. We have what to call what? The fragmentation tool that we can use to check words, the disk, if there's error in words, the disk. Okay. So all those programs are what? Utility tools. So file management, Mac OS Final, Dictionary Octopus, Dolphin in KDE, okay, are all. Then you have compression. Compression tool is this, WinRAR. This so if I want to compress, I click add. Okay, you see we have what? Advanced, okay, compression, okay, exclusive, auto, how you want to set it up. You can even set password on it. You can set password on words. The file. Did you understand it? Okay. Oh. Let me take you to the desktop. Let's assume this is my desktop, okay? I have this folder, which is 5.256 gig, okay? If I reduce it to, yeah, in 3 gig, how many space have I seen? 2 gig. And this 2, you see when I write, you give me this 2, when add it towards archive, okay? Then I go to advanced. It can help me towards compress what? The file towards the full day. Then I delete the actual one, meaning I save additional space. And mostly when you go online, most of the files we have over there to our words, very rough. Like for instance, let me go into my mail right now. If I go to my mail, I want bulk. Let's assume this is a bulk. An email that is bulky. Oh. This file.
Is it my network or it's like that to everyone?
Me too.
Am I the only person who is not hearing or what?
I'm not still hearing.
Not hearing, not hearing.
It's
I'm sure it's from you.
Yes.
It's a general problem with my sister.
Yes, I think it's the lecturer's
It's from his.
So let's assume.
Oh, okay.
Let's assume that this time around you are writing paper. What can you do?
Nicholas, you hold yourself
Oh,
out.
yeah,
Nicholas,
You hold yourself out.
I don't know what you also. Eti Oma Mwata Mali, Wabu, also.
Oh, you find a center that.
Oh, it's not like that too. Me like this. My center is Akokari College of Education.
Okay.
We need a nearby center to go and write it. You cannot depend on this system to write it.
They are not going to agree for you to write it online. How?
That's what they are giving us.
So how will you find your center? How would you know that here is your center?
You just search now, or you ask.
No, when you visit the portal, you find the timetable and you see your center there.
Yes.
And the venue and everything, they will tell you.
I think
online,
you have to visit the portal right now, and then you choose your center.
When you visit the portal, you find your center there.
So they are previewed it.
So how going to be go for face to face at all?
We are just here.
No. Oh, if you go face to face, at least you know your center.
Concerning exams, say we are here online. For now, no courses in the be online, but they do exams now. The nearest centers, that's what they are trying to arrange for us to go and write.
Okay. But when you go to the portal, it is indicated online venue. Online venue.
It depends on the paper you choose when we are choosing the centers.
On your paper, if yours is general online in general.
Then you write the exam online.
No. Like you just get on the answer sheet.
No. When you go to the portal, it is there on the what do you call it? The paper.
Definitely regional woman now you see the year and a center no so select here. Even though Nipa bring up a change of center no. But what change of centers be no? Once the first years, no more the year started online. Yeah, online throughout. But the more training say, yes, nearest centers, no. I also fill a form no. I will select regional select here and any center no. If possible, na say free. GTech phoning you free, almost in the studio. Then you go to the nearest center, almost accept now a control. But for now, no.
What if Oma taking it out and also ban it there?
You just find a closer one to maybe the also
brothers, what is trying to say is that on the portal we chose a center, and then they later told us to go and update it. So we went there to do the updating, but the center we chose were not part of the centers, approved centers. So they told us to choose online, so that when quizzes and exams are, they will tell us where to go and have it.
Yes.
And now we have our portal, and then they are taking it online. There's a venue for those who are doing it online.
Venue online. Yeah, that's what is there. With the timetable, the time allocated for each paper, and the days, everything is put there or put in there for us. So we don't know what we are going to do.
But of course, reps on say it will not be nice to have electric. On say then so said the money communicate direct, especially
maybe the say, you see the situation most of you guys are in right now, man.
Possible solution. Yes, sir.
You see the situation you guys are in right now, no? The same thing happened to me. Maybe they're not a center in Gaboso. Or me apply na center in Gabo, but GTech one in Gaboso for you. And to me call Western North, what's the next center that's very close to me? I meet my Chusi. And I meet Chusi Sevioso. So within my region, who's a Sevioso and closer to me, I meet my day. The initial center na me Chusi and Gaboso.
Yes.
When I was applying,
system.
To me, if you internet, was a message for me exam. But say we are having the class online right now.
Yes.
But when the exam is about to commence, I have to go to yours.
That's the nearest center.
My brother, you are giving us your center, but ours is not like that. You understand? Ours is not like that. So me, my nearby one. Yes, madam.
You can be saying, yeah, program orientation. After main orientation, you know, your program we have one professor we need Dr. Monica Sanson here, a second orientation. Then, because of GTech regulation, you know, most of their centers we used to know have been shut down. So when you go there, you will not get any lectures. Even the centers which are available are not doing our courses. Except for now, our courses they only have 2 centers.
Only center.
In Ghana, which is Cape Coast, Zenith. So if you can't join Cape Coast or Zenith, then join online class for your lectures. So when it comes to
exam,
quizzes and exams, he said you should go to your portal, choose the nearest center. There you go.
No.
Listen,
that is not
let
what
me
said.
end.
They
Please let me end.
said that.
He said they will communicate to us, but later they told us go to the nearest one, pick the nearest one, so that the exams they will try and fix it in one weekend. So those who will be traveling from their regions to different regions or from far away from their towns to other towns won't stay more than a weekend to write their exams. That was one. And secondly, they even said when you choose a center and based on your work, you are transferred. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. I didn't know you are back, sir.
I'm back. I have to climb a tree before I get a better network, so.
That is what we are discussing. So we are trying to get an issue with regards to the online quizzes.
This is what they do. When they will you, I think Auntie Monica will put on a platform that everybody should indicate wherever he wants to write the exam close to him or her at the UCC centers. So you have to identify the center close to where you are sitting. I hope you get it. So they will put it on the. So you indicate, for instance, if you are in Kumasi and Sims is close, you write it at Sims.
Yes, sir.
If KTI is close, write it at KTI.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Then we are waiting because we checked the system and it was online, venue online, so we didn't know the whole issue. Thank you, sir.
No. They are also trying to do online exam. They have online exams too, so don't worry. If it's online, you can stay in your home and do it.
Yes, sir.
I think the case. It's now we are practicing the thing. How will you be quick to get the time? That is where the problem is. We don't know the what you like. You know how that people the time is up.
That's the business people did it. That's the business people did it. So maybe they will add you people to it. So don't worry.
So we are looking at a situation like how you are teaching us. In case you are sitting behind the machine and then something like this happens and the time beats you, how are you going to justify your reason? Because we are far inside.
No, we know we will take care of all those things. Adumakun, I'm listening.
Sir, please, after addressing the fact.
Yes, sir, thank you.
Please, let's continue.
Let's continue.
After compressing the file, the file, do you lose information?
Yes, you have to delete the actual file.
Yeah, do you lose some of the information because this thing will reduce? So I want to know whether you lose any information.
No, you not lose any information.
Okay.
That's why I wanted to demonstrate. Like for instance, if I go to my mail, okay. Normally when you compress file, one of the things it helps you is that it prevents virus attacks. I do it like this, and you see the download is active, and you said download all. As soon as I download all, the file will be downloaded in words. Zip file as a WinRAR. Have you seen it? It's downloading all together as zip file.
Yes, sir.
So that's one of the use of what the TuneUp utilities, so that I can download all files in Word once. Then when I go there, corrupting the file. So if I go there, I can what? You see the file size is what? 52353, 5253. I will unzip it using the WinRAR. Okay. Then all the where's the file just download? All the files will be what? To be there. So when you look at it, you see in the actual sense, the files are many. You see it's 537. But when it's 527. Is that not it? Meaning the actual file is bigger than the word. The zip file. So that's it.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Okay. Then we have the application software. As we said, application software are the software that enable the users to perform what? A task. So, like for instance, if I ask, senior in red, what do you use the computer for? A senior man in white. Normally, what do you use your phone for? Okay, so use the dialer what app. Okay, so the application software is what you people have cut down as what app. Online, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so let me ask. So, Adomaku, what do you use a computer for?
Send and receive information.
Send and what? Receive what? Information. Okay. So he will say that he normally use what? WhatsApp. Okay. So WhatsApp is an what? Application what? Software. Okay. So this. The difference between the system and application, these are general, and the application software perform specific tasks, as we are saying. Whenever we mention, we target to something. It's not for what? General. But the operating system, it manage what? Everybody. Okay. So the differences are there. Okay. Then how do we get our software? We have what we call in-house development. In-house development, like the IT personnel within the organization, that develop the system for the organization to use. Okay. So meet the need of the organization. It's well documented and flexible towards modifying and what customize. Then the disadvantage is it may take longer to develop as compared to other companies. Why it will take longer to develop? Because, like for instance, the IT people, they are doing other jobs. Or sometimes you will start, then they will come. Please, can you stop this and start this one? This one, we need it urgent. In a month, and the same people will come again. Please, can you stop this one? We need this one. This one is more serious than the other one. So what's happening? The old one keep what? Pending, and what? Okay. If you don't want such trouble, you go to what you call the commercial of the shelf. You go to store and go and buy. That's what we call what? Off the shelf or software. It's in the shelf and you are going to what? Get it. So off what? The shelf. The package can be installed quickly. That's what you do next minute. Like what MTN has been doing. When they give you the message, then they will mention 10 terms and conditions apply. You don't read them. And when they are teaching you, instead of MTN is the cheat. They've already given you what you have to know before, but you also don't read. Then attractive of the shelf is their price. But they sell it among the majority of people, the price is very low. Then package have well documented function that satisfy the need of what everybody. Well, what are the factors to consider when purchasing application? Look at the functionality. Okay, so for instance, organization want to get a software. Look at the functionality. Flexibility of the software for modification. The software should be able to do a lot of work, job. You have to be able to modify it. Okay. Then documentation. The cost should be what? Cheap. Then there should be manual. So that if someone is not there, you can easily adapt and learn how to use the software. Then maintenance. The developer should also provide maintenance. We call it supports. Then purchase from reliable. You go to buy software, then tomorrow you go there, they close the shop. And the software is not working. What will you do? You go frustrated. Is that not it? So always buy from reliable source. Okay. So to end, yes. Oh, I explained the antivirus. I said antivirus is a utility software. Okay. That prevents when that's what I say when you fall sick, where do you go? You say you go to the hospital. Then I say when the computer falls sick, okay, like infected with viruses, you need an antivirus that will treat it to get work. When the disk is becoming full, then that one you need the WinRAR. Okay. You need one-click maintenance. All these are utility software that maintain the efficiency. Like, for instance, you buy a machine for first, someone, as our colleague is saying, oh, at first my machine is fast, so I just updated, the machine is slow. So if you run utility to turn all programs that are slowing down the machine, then it remove them from it. Okay. Any other question?
The system software, you say you explain us.
I think the system software, it manages the entire resource of the computer and provide that interface between the application software and the computer hardware. Any other question? Any other question? Oh, they are using it. We are not romantic now. Okay, so if there's no question, we are finished with the unit 3. Next week, we will look at how your question will look like. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Very, very important, sir.
Or I should give you the.
Sir, we didn't get it, sir.
Yes, sir.
You said, oh, you should give us something. We didn't hear what you said, sir.
Okay. You let me ask the co-e-learning, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We are
sir.
here. We are here for our life, Khaled, sir.
I'm not talking about online people. I'm talking about the one who is moderating. I want to ask about your recordings. Code e-learning. Yeah, hello, Code e-learning. Yeah, please, my people, they are talking about the recording. How would they get it?
Please, good evening. No, is the classes done?
No, I'm getting information. Wait.
Okay.
But do you have a question for me?
So, question.
Yeah, Master, I'm listening.
Like, is there going to be group presentation as?
Yes, if we finish with unit 4, I'll let the coursework groups you into groups.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Please, you're asking me a question.
Yeah, I'm asking how would they get the recording, because they've been asking about the class recording. How would they get it?
Okay, it will be kept at the e-learning center on campus.
It will be placed on the e-learning center.
We have an e-learning center on campus, that's Cape Coast.
So I should come for it and give it to them.
Okay, whenever you come to the department to sign, we can also get it for you.
Okay. So, thank you very much. Okay, but your question, can you repeat it again? I have forgotten what you asked.
Sir, concerning the grouping, I was asking, is there going to be a group work or something?
Yes, I will speak to the course rep and let me find out. Do you know yourself with your centers?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Yes, sir. Ask for me.
No,
I know my center.
No, sir. Some of us are online. We don't know our feet yet, sir.
No, I'm talking about the online people. So, for
Sir,
instance,
we don't know.
Okay. Okay. So I will create a Google sheet so that we pick the information. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that we can use it to form the groups. So,
Yes, sir.
it would be nice if we are close to each other so that the communication can be effective. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Alubra, get ready.
Any other question?
So what of the samples of the past questions? Can we also get